Meaning of industrialism.
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 Industrialism. Industrialism is a socio-economic system characterized by the growth of manufacturing industries, mass production, and mechanized production methods. It emerged during the Industrial Revolution in Europe in the late 18th and early 19th centuries, and its principles have influenced economic and social development worldwide. The impact of industrialism has been both positive and negative. On the one hand, it has created unprecedented wealth and economic growth, as well as new technologies and opportunities for social mobility. On the other hand, it has also been associated with environmental degradation, worker exploitation, and social inequality.